Good morning, guys. Welcome to the TVS Apache AOG ride. I'm here in Bengaluru, Namma Bengaluru. So, hope all of you guys are rocking, and I'm really excited to be a part of this AOG ride from here to Coorg. So, the guys from AOG Bengaluru are coming to pick me up. The bike is already here, Apache RR310. I need to check out of the hotel and hit the road. And they say up to Mysore, it's kind of okayish, the roads, and from there it's absolute heaven. So really looking forward to this amazing ride. Okay, so now we have started and we are underway, heading to the flag off point where Bulu is waiting, and so are some other TVS officials and also some other AOG riders who are going to join us on the way to Mysore and then to Coorg. So looking forward to one amazing ride with good old friends and another set of memories that I'm going to cherish rest of my life. Best part about this riding gear, TVS performance gear, it fits me perfectly, the jacket and the riding pant, so there's no issue of a muscle pull or anything early in the morning when you tend to be a little stiff. Another thing that really helps is a bit of warm-up exercises before you set out on a ride. Free your arms and legs, and that is a standard thing that we used to do in PT, if you remember, back in school. So just do those warm-up exercises and you're good to go, and you won't be facing any issues with a muscle pull or arm pull or leg pull. So that's it, heading towards the flag off point, and let's see how the rest of the day unfolds. So guys, this is kind of the startup point where all the other bikers have gathered from the AOG Bengaluru group, Apache owners group. Here are the two lead riders, Mr. Captain America, Mr. Captain America, Captain Bengaluru. Okay, and we have Shoaib Akhtar. Yes, we have Shoaib Akhtar in our team. No one can come close to match his speed actually, but we're going to ride responsibly, enjoy our ride. That's the plan, right, Prince?
Yes.
What happened to birthday boy? Did he get the birthday bumps yesterday?
We will do that. No, we will do that.
Acha, it is saved for today.
Yeah.
That royal moment. एक कुड़ी remix करेंगे अभी.
कुमार सानू remix.
So पहली बात तो गोल्ड विंग मुबारक.
Thank you.
लेकिन बिना बोले ले लिए भाई, सरप्राइज.
अरे भाई मतलब लाइफ में कुछ कुछ सरप्राइजेस तो सरप्राइज होके आता है.
ठीक है, ठीक है. Okay guys, time to hop on and get ready. Finally daylight, so I can enjoy my tinted visor. Bulu is here, all excited.
Anyways, Bina bhai, hope you will enjoy the Mysore traffic.
अच्छा, मैसूर मसाला डोसा के बाद मैसूर ट्रैफिक बहुत फेमस है. ओके, चलो, थैंक यू. But trust me guys, the RR310, one of the most gorgeous looking bikes in its segment. Absolutely stunning. A little bit of a fog. Road patches here and there, but weather is absolutely sublime. That's the fun. Pure riding joy, riding pleasure, whatever you would call it. Kind of first time riding through Mysore and riding to Coorg, so hoping for a jolly good time. Joy of riding early in the morning, gentle breeze, perfect weather, and kind of the right machine to complement your mood. to explore and ride. A lot of road work happening here. So I think once it's done, this will be a good road to ride. First leg, first pit stop.
Yes.
எப்படி இருக்கு, நல்லா இருக்கா? కొంచెం నీ తమిళ కూడా కట్టుకున్నావు, తెలుగు ఎట్లన్నా నీకు బాగా వస్తుంది. అందరు కమెంట్ చేశారు, నేను పడుకో చచ్చిపో, వైరల్ అయిపోయింది. తమిళ్లో ఏం చేస్తావు? తమిళ్లో గెత్తు, ఫుల్లుమై గెత్తు, ఫుల్లుమై గెత్తు పోలే. So having fun, first stop here, kind of some kind of a party. Actually सोच रहा था कि यहाँ पे मैसूर मसाला डोसा मिल जाएगा, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली दिस इज जस्ट स्टॉप टू टेक अ ब्रेक. मसाला डोसा आगे है, तो आगे जाके एंजॉय करेंगे. बट द वेदर इज़ वेरी कूल. इन द सिटी इट वॉज अ लिटिल वार्म, बट वंस वी set out to the outskirts, you can see green fields, and I think once the road is done, it's going to be absolutely one of the best roads. ఓకే, సో సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా తెలుగు తమ్ముడు దొరికాడు. సో ఆయనతోనే తెలుగు వ్లాగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసేసాము. సో ఇక్కడ వీళ్ళు కేజీఎఫ్ పార్ట్ 3 గురించి డిస్కస్, పార్ట్ 2నే రాలేదు ఇంకా. బట్ యూ ప్రామిస్ మీ మైసూర్ మసాలా, అభి మైసూరీస్ నహీ ఆయా, మసాలా కబ్ ఆయేగా?
मैसूर आएगा तो
मसाला मसाला डोसा, डोंट टेक डबल मीनिंग है. यहाँ पे बुल्लू जी को ज़्यादा मसाला हो गया उड़ीसा में, सो पेट खराब. अभी ये फास्टिंग एंड प्रेइंग आज होल डे.
आज फास्टिंग मूड ऑन.
फास्टिंग आज. Okay guys, around 50 kilometers away from Mysore, here we have all the brigade waiting for one another. Okay, another thing that I like about the RR310 that I kind of realized was during the XBHP Road Trip United was fuel efficiency. Unbelievably good fuel efficiency for a bike in this class, because we had to refuel for H2 and Rocket 3 every so often, but the RR310 full tank रहता था हमेशा, 1-2 पॉइंट कम होते थे बस. So I was seriously impressed. I didn't notice that during Kanyakumari because maybe we were doing higher speeds consistently, covering more this thing. But here in the Road Trip United XPHP, there I could find out how good the fuel efficiency on the highway for the RR310 really is. अभी भी full tank ही बता रहा है. We have come a long way, 100 plus kilometers already. So let's go ahead. The roads are clean and wide, and the greenery is coming alive now. Oh, school kids admiring the Apache RR310. Okay. So finally we are here at Ambari TVS, and this is the place. It's a new showroom, kind of setting new standard and setting new benchmark in terms of showroom experience. This is showroom ambience. Jupiter is a new edition, right? 2021 edition.
Yes,
something.
Inteligo. Jupiter Inteligo.
Yeah. So Mysore आ गए and now tasting Mysore Pak in Mysore. इसका मजा ही कुछ और है. So let's see how good it is. Really good. Back in Hyderabad, Krishna Sweets is famous for Mysore Pak. But this one is really special because we are having it here in Mysore itself. So breakfast is done, and I didn't get to have the masala dosa that I was craving for. But anyway, it was a good breakfast, authentic kind of Mysore breakfast. Mysore Pak was amazing, and so is this showroom. The way they have set things up is very premium. So premium experience awaits you for all the TVS fanboys from Ambari, right? Yeah, Mysore. And now we are headed towards Coorg, and the roads leading to that place, they say, are really good, great corners. Can't wait to get back on the road. So guys, our break is done. Now time to hit the road and reach Coorg on time.
This time is equal to 2 hours of
Giving us some kind of. Thank you. Great job with the showroom. Looks absolutely super premium. All the best.
Thank you.
Yeah. बुल्लू भाई, आपसे पहले से ही आपका नाम फिक्स हो गया, मिस्टर ऑफ रोडर. ये ऐसे आदमी है, गोल्ड विंग पे भी ऑफ रोडिंग करते हैं यार. गोल्ड विंग का ड्यूल
ऑफ रोडिंग तो क्या करेंगे बता.
అరే యాక్టివాకి చాలా నచ్చేసిందంట బండి. చాలా దగ్గరికి వచ్చేసింది, కౌగిలించుకొని ముద్దు పెడదామని. So next stop is Coorg, I am supposing. So let's hope for some good roads up ahead. They say some kind of good corners are coming up. Let's see. Okay, so first arrived in style. Look at the location, it's absolutely next level. The backdrop and the way they have set things up is absolutely worth every second of getting to this place. நம்ம ஊர் பசங்க அவ்வளோ தூரம் நின்னா எப்படி வந்துருங்க மச்சி. ஸோ வந்தற்பாடு மாறி லெவலில் வெல்கம் கொடுத்தாச்சு, வேற மாதிரி. ஸோ செஞ்சிடுவோம் அவ்வளோதான், இன்னைக்கு செஞ்சிடுவோம். மாறி 3.2 டீசர் இன்னைக்கு. அண்ணன் டான்ஸு சாயங்காலத்தில் போட்டு கலக்க வேண்டிதான். Fabulous job, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for inviting us.
Yeah, thank you.
And the way you have set things up is
Thank you
next
so much,
level.
sir.
It's like heaven on earth.
Yes, thank you, sir.
And yeah, I'm looking forward to more such amazing events.
Sure, we'll do that.
Literally our jaw hit the ground. I mean, you guys see the way they've set things up right in the middle of paradise, you can call it. The guys, party owners, all of them. Okay. Whoa. Getting a little too excited here. So अभी तो बहुत ज़ोर से भूख लगी है, तो डीना भाई को खाना ज़रूरी है. तो let's go have some food with बुल्लू भाई. So this is the property where we are staying, Purple Palms Resort and Spa, and look at the way this ambience is. It's so scenically beautiful, and the sounds, the ambient sounds, they give you peace. I mean, I think the spa is just around here, but I'll just show you around. It's so peaceful. Immediately your soul kind of rejoices in this place. But the thing is, now Bulu is getting ready. We are headed to the venue where all the action is underway, and then the actual action truly begins now. So far it's been so amazing. Wow, the steps and the pathway, beautiful, isn't it? Glorious, absolutely satisfying to your soul. And this is the property, and our room is right over there. We have a sit out as well, one for me, one for Bulu. The last two rooms are ours, and can't wait to get out there. It's been an amazing ride so far. So can you hear the music in the background? Yeah, this is the preparation for the live music session that's set to happen. We have Biker Brothers already engaging in a talk. This is what this AOG kind of theme is all about, and spreading or enjoying the companionship of a motorcycle and that brotherhood and the energy that kind of defines us, enjoying these amazing cool machines. But look at the backdrop, man. Isn't this jaw-dropping? I mean, the lakeside, it's one of the best undoubtedly experiences that I have had. It's so clean, actually. It's well maintained. I just hope you can hear me. The guitars are getting loud, and I'm sure we're gonna have loads of fun.